So we are going to learn place value with manipulatives. As you can see on the board, I have given an example of 425. So in 425, the 5 is for ones, the 2 is for the place value tens, and 4 is for hundreds. And in the manipulatives, the small cube represents ones, the 10 cube represents tens, and the block of 100 represents hundreds. So can you display me 425?
So here is 425, here is 100, 200, 300 and 400. Here is 2 tens, 1 tens, 2 tens, 420. Here is 5 ones, 1 ones, 2 ones, 3 ones and 4 ones, 5 ones. Its total is 425.
Yes, very good. So did you all enjoy learning place value using manipulatives?